माय नेम इज़ मनीष शर्मा। आई एम ए लाइफ कोच। बट आज मैं आपसे कोई कोचिंग की बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बट डेफिनेटली एक लाइफ की बात करने वाला हूँ। एक लाइफ जो बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग स्टार्ट के साथ चल रही थी, बट ऑल ऑफ ए सडन एक झटके से ख़त्म हो गई। येस, यू गेस्ड इट राइट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत। व्हाट a shock it was. You know, the moment I got a news कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत has committed suicide, I could not believe it. It took me some time to absorb this fact that he is no more among us. And worst part was when I came to know that he committed suicide. पहले स्टेज पे मेरा ब्रेन इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा था कि ही इज़ नो मोर, और जब ये पता लगा ही कमिटेड सुसाइड, देन लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस केम टू माय माइंड. Why he need to do something like this? He was successful by any social standards. He was an accepted actor in a society, very famous, successful. People loved him. He was a role model to many people. Lot of fan following. Why he would go into state of depression? What was missing in his life that pushed him to the depression? All these questions kept on haunting me. Then I thought, let me find some answers to this. And I realized he's not the first person who did something like this, who was on this path. Remember, Praveen Bobby had such a tragic death. Michael Jordan, Elvis Presley, they all are people who were very successful professionally. They had everything what a person would dream of. But still, they met such a tragic end. I think it's time to rework out our priorities again in our life. I kept on thinking the entire night. Imagine an actor on the screen acts against suicide, but off the screen he act on the suicide. So which role should a person follow, on the screen of this actor or off the screen of this actor? I'm sure he must be going through a lot of mental trauma. That's why he took such a big step. He was such a big talent. I am a big fan of this actor. I've been shaken up by his loss. But today I'm going to address a different perspective today. My sympathy is to the family members of this actor. The entire family, God bless them with the strength to bear this loss. To all the fans who lost such a talented actor, I am one of them, big fan of this actor. I had seen his movie MS Dhoni many number of times. Such inspiring movie, and what an act he has done in that movie. And obviously Chichore was again a very good movie to watch. But my biggest concern is for the people who used to take him as a role model. What an example he has set at the end. All this question kept on, haunted me the entire night. And then I thought, let me find some answers to it. And finally, what I believe personally, what answers I could find for this situation is, number one, I think it's time we need to reset our goals, reset our success criterias. What real success mean? All these successful people talking about Praveen Bobby or Michael Jordan, they all had everything, whatever they wanted to have. The car, the house, the money, the servants, the holidays, the trips, everything they had it. But at the end, what they had is a stuff and loneliness. So they started following artificial mood enhancers. कुछ लोग ड्रग्स का सहारा लेना शुरू कर देते हैं, कुछ लोग एल्कोहलिक हो जाते हैं, तो कुछ लोग डिप्रेशन में जाके डिप्रेशन एंटी डिप्रेशन मेडिसिन पे डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं आके. Because what these people followed, all these things, car, house, holidays, good education for the children, they are not the success principles or the success parameters. They are indicators of success. They just followed indicators. They had indicators. Actually, I read in some of the books, they say success is not about what do you achieve. Real success is about what you become while what you achieve. What type of person do you become? Which means along with these, all the physical positions you get, you also need to work on your mental strength. That's how you can become a person you were created to become. And second thing, which the answer which popped into my mind for all this challenging situation is the feeling which we train our children today is of competitiveness. Is competition good? I don't know. आज एक बच्चा पैदा होता है, सिबलिंग से compete करता है, स्कूल जाता है, क्लासमेट से compete करता है, कॉलेज में जाता है, कॉलेज मेट से compete करता है, फिर जॉब प्रोफेशनली हर जगह उसको compete करना पड़ता है, और जब वो compete नहीं कर पाता तो उसके अंदर एक लैग बिहाइंड की फीलिंग आ जाती है. ऑल ऑफ ए सडन उसको ये वर्ड एक डिफरेंट तरीके से लगने लगता है आके, उसे एक लूजर की फीलिंग आती है. Who put this feeling? You and me. It's time to rework on those principles also. We need to teach our children the right principle. We need to teach them it's not about competition. It's all about completion. God never created this world to compete with each other. God created this world to complete each other. This person get into such situation as, we call it depression. I mean, for me, depression is not a disease, it's a state of mind. It's a emotional state which we create and we can come out of it. And how do we create this emotional state? Just because we hold our grudges, our emotional clutter for a long period of a time. We need to remove this emotional clutter on regular basis. So we all are creating those negative energy inside of us because of emotional clutter we hold. Get rid of them regularly. And who can help you out to remove this emotional clutter is a life coach. It's so important to have a life coach in your life. Now, life coach doesn't mean tomorrow morning you go and hire a professional life coach. I'm not saying that. If that would be available, fantastic one. If not, who can be a life coach? Maybe your sibling can be a life coach. Your parent could be a life coach. Your friend could be a life coach. Your teacher, your mentor, your guide could be a life coach. A person with whom you can express anything and everything, and you can trust on that person. That can help you out to channelize your energy in the right way. Convert your negative energy into positive energy. Life coach work like a traffic cop. What does a traffic cop does? He channelize the traffic. Same जो आपके emotions के traffic आते हैं, उसको channelize करने में life coach help करता है. Filter out करता है आपके emotions को, आपकी feelings को. See what is emotions. Emotion is just a flurry of biochemical storms. अब वो biochemical storms कहाँ से आते हैं? It depends on the type of feelings you have. If you have a negative feeling, you have a negative emotions. A negative emotion leads to negative actions, and negative actions leads to negative results. It all started, how do you feel? If you are feeling low, feeling negative, is the right time to speak to your life coach immediately. उस फ्रेंड का, उस रिलेटिव का, उस पर्सन का मोबाइल में नाम ही आप लाइफ कोच के हिसाब से सेव करके रखें आप. Whenever you feel low, just give a call to that person and take the solutions from that person about it. I'm really feeling so sorry for the family of this star. What a promising star he was. What a real talent he was. But what a waste of talent. We lost. It's not only that person who commit suicide is responsible, but our society as a whole is responsible for this. Probably we push a person to a wall where the person has no option but to take these actions over there. Open this channel as a life coach. So idea of this recording of this video today is to request each one of you, whosoever will watch this video, either have a life coach if you have those negative feelings inside of you, so that your life can be purposeful. If you are so good in communication and you are a positive person, then become a life coach to someone else. Save somebody else's life. So that we should not have another case of Sushant Singh Rajput. Time has come, really time has come, जब हमें ज़िंदगी का नज़रिया बदलना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो एक नज़र में ज़िंदगी बदल जाती है फ्रेंड्स. एक पल लगता है और सब कुछ बदल जाता है. आज से शायद कुछ घंटे पहले he was a rising star, but today we all have sympathies. This word needs you in both ways. God bless each one of you. I hope and pray you all will take a very, very conscious, purposeful decision in your life. Anytime you feel low, you have absolute freedom to write a mail to us or get in touch with us. I would love to help you out in whatever way, best way I can do it for you. This world needs you. And I hope somebody's life is not dependent on your circumstances. Rather, their life is dependent on your courage. Thank you so much for watching this.